If you're thinking about trying Linkbot AI, this brand new tool just dropped. And there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you waste time or money. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one has a few surprises. Some good, some you won't expect. Stick around, especially for number 6 and number 7. They could change how you use AI for good. First things first, you can actually try Linkbot AI completely free using the first link in the description. No credit card. It's a great way to see if it fits your workflow before diving deeper. Now, let's break this down. Linkbot AI is designed to instantly generate outbound messages, emails, and social messages for lead generation without sounding robotic. That's the big promise. And honestly, it does a solid job. What makes it stand out is that it analyzes your LinkedIn, company website, and target audience to write personalized outreach in seconds. Not generic templates, actual tailored messaging. Unlike ChatGPT or Jasper, Linkbot is focused specifically on B2B outreach. That niche focus means it actually understands how to write like a business development rep, not like a blogger or copywriter. If you're in sales, growth, or marketing, this could seriously save hours every week. It also integrates directly with LinkedIn and email, which is huge. You don't need to constantly copy and paste, just generate, tweak, and send. Plus, it remembers your tone and brand over time, which is one of the features that surprised me the most. AI personalization that evolves? Very few tools are doing that well right now. Another thing I liked, it can analyze company descriptions and recent posts to make the message contextually relevant. So if you're targeting startups, agencies, or enterprise clients, the messaging doesn't feel like it was blasted to 100 people. It feels like it was written just for them. Now here's where it gets interesting. Point 6. Linkbot AI is fast, like scary fast. I ran it against other outbound copy tools I've used, and Linkbot had 3x quicker output without dropping quality. That speed matters when you're trying to hit quota or scale campaigns. And number 7, the free plan is surprisingly generous. You get full access to most features, and that alone makes it worth testing, especially compared to overpriced competitors. But don't wait too long. These free plans usually get nerfed once the hype kicks in. Now, if you're wondering, is Linkbot AI the best just released AI software right now? It's definitely in the top tier for outreach and lead gen. But I've got a list of other top AI tools I've personally tested in the description, most with free trials too. So if Linkbot isn't the perfect fit, you've got options. Hit the link below to try Linkbot AI for free, and check out the other recommended tools while you're there. After testing thousands of AI platforms, these are the ones actually worth your time.